Hi, I'm Mike from Craft Supplies USA, and today we're going to take a look at the Artisan Ring Turning Chuck. Ring turning is a fun project that really impresses with all the unique looks. But because of their thin wall thickness, they require a high level of precision, and that's exactly where the Artisan Ring Turning Chuck comes into play. It's machined right here in the USA from a single piece of solid steel. It direct threads onto a 1x8 or 1¼ inch spindle and has an extended cone design that gives plenty of working space. The mandrel shaft is threaded in 3/8 by 16 TPI and is 1¾ inches long. It also includes small, medium, and large machined aluminum ring bushings to fit any size ring core. Now let's go to the lathe and I'll show you why this chuck is perfect for turning rings. In our experience, the lathe's threaded spindle is more accurate than the Morse taper. When the ring chuck is threaded onto the spindle and shoulders up against the face, the precision is hard to beat. The mandrel is a hefty 3/8 diameter, and its short length prevents it from flexing like a pen mandrel. The machined aluminum bushings are more accurate as well. They won't flex or compress like the Delrin bushings, and they still won't scratch the stainless steel ring cores. Once your ring blank is prepped for turning, just insert it between the correct size bushings and thread on the knurled nut. You'll also notice there's a dimple on the end here, and that's for your 60-degree cone center. Now you can accurately turn your ring down to its final size. If you want complete step-by-step instructions on ring turning, watch our ring turning video here. Another cool feature is that the threads on the mandrel fit any of our 3/8 by 16 threaded projects like bottle stoppers and a lot of our kitchenware projects. Just use the ring bushings as spacers, slip on the project's bushing, and thread on the blank. If you're serious about turning rings and want more accurate results, give the Artisan Ring Turning Chuck a try. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, be sure to check out woodturnerscatalog.com for the largest selection of woodturning supplies in the industry.